Hello?
Hey, Melissa just left. Should we go in?
No, just wait, I'll text you when she gets here.
All right, roger that. Roger that.
What?
We're on a mission. All right, you guys, it's been 20 minutes. We should just go in.
Spencer hasn't texted yet.
She will any minute.
Let's find out when she lost that baby.
What exactly are we looking for? Medical records, anything with a date on it.
I'm gonna go check the bedroom.
Okay, there's nothing in the bedroom. Is this anything? Yeah, her car insurance.
Melissa bought a pair of Chloe boots from Saks last week for $900.
Okay, now those I want to see. I want to find her fake baby bump.
What? Aren't you curious? It has to be here somewhere. Oh my God, she's even more anal than Spencer. I didn't even think that was possible.
And yet it is.
Oh my God.
What?
It's Melissa.
Where?
Outside. What do we do? Put everything back where you found it. Damn it.
Hanna.
Way too close.
Okay, let's just get out of here.
How could you hang these up? Wait, you guys look.